this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do the tutorial for this Easter basket shaker set. So these are the projects that I showed previously, and these are the die set. So in the die set you will get this one, and this is to make the background of your shaker, and this one with the stitching lines is to make the shaker portion and to make the front side of your shaker card. Then you have two borders. This is the scalloped one, and you also got this grass border that you can decorate on your basket. And then you will have this bowl, and also this is the egg that you can decorate on your shape basket. So I have cut these out. So I use this one to cut this piece and to cut the acetate, and then I use this one to cut the front side of your shaker, and also cut this 3mm foam. So you can use any foam in your stash. Mine is 3mm, which is sold in our store, and you can also use 5mm foam if you have. Yeah, I think the thicker, and then you can add more shaker base on your shaker. Yeah, and then I cut this out. And also I have this border, since I want to use this scallop border this time. So let's start. And I choose to cut this handle off, but it's up to you. But I think, yeah, I just don't need to glue this part. This is no use, so I just leave this part to cover the shaker part. I use too much glue here. And then stick this part over here. Then stick this foam on the background. Since the foam I use will stretch a little out, so I need to make sure to move it around to make sure it will fit better. Yeah, so this is okay now. And then I decided to use this sequin, and this one is new in the store. So it's for the Easter and spring theme. It has the carrots and the eggs and little chick and these green and sprinkles. So I think that is very cute, right? And then add this piece over here. And then I cut these two colors, and I decided to layer them together like this. And I think that is cute. And add a bling on top, so I use animal dots here. So you can add it on top of the handle, or you can also add it over here or here. Since I saw Erica posted a picture yesterday, and she made her Easter basket with the bow at the sides, and that is also very cute. So you can add the bow in any place you want, and I think that is also very cute, right? So this shaker is ready, and you can sorry, I didn't cut the eggs, but you can put the eggs over here at the back side of your shaker, or you can have your eggs layer over here. Then that is also very cute. Or you can add a little bunny here, or add some Easter eggs over here, which is also very great. So yeah, this shaker is ready. So hope you like this and find the tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me comment. Yeah, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.